After 7 rounds, Vaishnavi is on 7 out of 7. Samartha is on 6. Aditya, Yatin, Siddharth are on 5. So even people on 4 have a chance of getting third. Let's see the pairings for this round. Vaishnavi Ahan in the last round of the tournament, round 8. Samartha Aditya, second board. All games are crucial for the 3 medals. Atan Rutvik, another interesting matchup. Jay and Datik. We'll focus on these 5 games because this is where the first 3 medals will fall in, probably. Here we have a Rai Lopez, and there's an exchange of bishop and knight. That should be good for black. Samartha Aditya, we have. Oh, Aditya went for this line. This line. D4, knight takes pawn. That's a very risky line. Takes, and queen D5. Wow, crazy stuff. F2 is hanging with check, but so is F7. So now I guess he'll go King F1 or King E2. King F1. Yes, Sarah? And
Sir, Aditya already won.
no, it's going on.
Sir, it's showing Aditya single one.
That's Aditya single. That's a different Aditya. This is Aditya Ranjan
Yeah,
Sahu.
sir, I'm talking about that Aditya only.
Oh, that Aditya. He must have. I don't know. Let's see who he is playing against. I don't know. That is not shown here.
Cool Kid 1302.
Yeah, probably Scholars Mint or something. Here, Atik has won with a nice checkmate. Our crucial games are Vaishnavi Ahan is kind of crucial. If Vaishnavi loses, Samartha will be on 6 with Vaishnavi, and maybe people who win on 5 will get to 6. So she's on 7. So only Samartha can catch her. But she has very good butch. So there is no way, even if Vaishnavi loses, she'll be first. So basically, the medal is the fight is for second and third medals, silver and bronze. That's between these guys, the people on 6, 5, and 4. That's like 9 people. Those are on 4. If you have a good butch, you have a chance if you win. But not much chance because some of these guys will also go to 6. So it's basically between these 6 people that the 3 medals will fall in. So let's see. Samartha and Aditya are playing. It's a very crucial match. If Samartha wins, he'll be second. If Aditya wins, he'll be tied. Based on which they'll get the second or third. Siddharth versus Yatin is another important match that could decide third or second. And what's happening here? Siddharth is winning. He's up by a piece and 2 connected pass pawns. He just plays professionally, just exchanging bishops. That's very good. All he needs is not a blunder, and he'll win. Yeah, Rook D7, excellent. Atan versus Rutvik is also important. Not as much as the others, but still, for the standings, it's somewhat important. Here, what's happening? Rutvik is up by a pawn. Oh, Nivan's game is over in 8 moves. So we had 28 players, 4 of them withdrew after a few rounds. And Aditya Singhal had a slightly bad tournament. Nivan had a bad tournament. Samarth had a bad tournament. Ishan, internet problem. Puruda had kind of a bad tournament. And yeah, so out of 8, if you score like 3 or 4, it's okay and good. Above 4, you're doing well. And if you're in the 6 points or above 6, you're doing excellent. Right now, Samartha Aditya is a very key game. And looks like Samartha is winning. Wow, what has happened here? Something crazy has happened. After Bishop F2, Castle's knight was hanging. Samartha just won a piece because of knight E4 by Aditya. And he just exchanged stuff. Just played safe moves. And he's winning. He's up. Oh, but he lost 2 pawns, but still winning. No problems. This shouldn't be a problem. Who's offering a draw? Vaishnavi offered a draw. Ahan is up a pawn. Yes, Sarah?
So Ahan has an internet issue.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it shows.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, he is disconnected, it looks like. Oh, that would be unfortunate. He's up a pawn. Vaishnavi has just offered a draw. Even if he comes to the last 5 seconds, he can accept the draw. If he
Yeah.
comes back.
See, I don't think Han can win because he is disconnected.
Yeah,
But
if
he
he
has
comes
enough
back,
time.
yeah, if he comes back, he can win. No,
Yeah,
Yeah.
because Vaishnavi is offered a draw.
Vaishnavi's offered a draw doesn't mean he will win.
Yeah, like Sir can at least become a draw
Yeah,
instead
he,
of getting disconnected.
he just has to come back. We'll see. Back to Samartha Aditya. Han is going down because of internet. Samartha Aditya is attacking, but Samartha is defending well. He's up a piece. He exchanges stuff. Samartha is down to 10 seconds. This is now difficult for Samartha. How can he keep his cool down? He's up a piece, but 2 pawns down. Wow. Aditya just playing professionally, exchanging stuff. And Ahan is disconnected and lost. Vaishnavi won by abandonment. Jay and Atik won. Siddharth won against Yatin. That's a big result too. Wow, Siddharth is on 6 out of 8 now. He might overtake Samartha if Samartha loses this. And Samartha cannot lose. He's up a piece. He's up a full piece. He should be able to win this. It's important because if he wins, he'll be second. If he loses, he might be second or third. He might be third. Any other game that's important going on? Not much. Ishan versus Pratham is on. Purida versus Arush. Atan versus Rutvik. Okay, Atan Rutvik is also important, but Atan is winning. Atan is. Oh, Rutvik was up a full night, but he could not win it. He just. What did he do? Why did he move king? What is he doing? Oh, he had an extra piece, but the pawn was too strong. See, the H pawns and A pawns are the worst enemies of knights. Rutvik could not do anything. Now White is just winning. That means for our standings, Atan will be on 5, but he won't get the medal. One of these three, like Samartha will probably be second, Siddharth will be third. If Aditya wins, though, it will be epic, but he cannot win this, right? So bishop versus nothing. Yeah, the bishop is just gonna pick up the pawns and win. But funnily enough, the king is not able to enter. Samartha needs a way for the king to come in. Oh, he does that. Okay, he goes. He could have gone here and here, but yeah, this is also fine. This is also fine. This should also be winning. He should have gone here. No. He could have won an extra pawn there. This is not. Oh, what has he done? What has he done? He went to the queen side one move too fast. He should have gone one more step ahead with the pawn and then made a run to the queen side. But it's still fine. Yeah, it's still fine. It's still fine. Did Black have a chance there? No. Black did not have a chance. Yeah, this is still winning for Samartha. So Samartha is going to win this. Atan Rutvik, Atan is still winning. Yeah. So that means standings will be Vaishnavi on 8 out of 8, Samartha on 7, Siddharth on 6. So these three will be the medalists for this round. Yatin lost to somebody in the last round. Otherwise, he would have been third. This is just queen checkmate. Come on. What? Draw? How did that happen? Oh my god. Samartha played queen f5. That's disastrous. He's still second, but Aditya is now on 5.5. But still, the standings will be the same, I guess. Only this game is left. Atan has won. Ishan has won. Samartha Aditya draw. Here we'll have a checkmate by Purvida soon. And that's the only game left. Let me unmute everyone. You can unmute yourself, people, if you have anything to say. I can see some
Sir?
raise. Yeah?
Tournament went so bad because of my internet.
Yeah.
2 rounds, 0 point buy.
That's fortunate.
Sir,
What are you doing though? Yeah, Nivan?
sir, I think in Samarta's game it was a draw because Samarta wanted a draw, I think.
No, he had a queen. No, he must have mouse slipped or played too fast or something. He had a queen. No, if he wanted to do, he can just at least try. He had 30 seconds.
Yeah. Okay.
For him, it is too easy. Like queen checkmate is
Sir,
like,
I'm lucky.
yeah, but there's no luck. You're still fourth only. Siddharth is still third.
Samartha could have won and I would not come fourth or something.
Yeah, you would have been fifth or sixth. Fifth probably. Now there's a checkmate, and that's the end of the tournament. Let's see the medals. Will soon come up.
Look at Vaishnavi's butch, sir, 40.5.
Yeah, Vaishnavi is 8 on 8. Samartha 6.5. Siddharth 6. Yeah, very close butch. That was a higher butch, but 6.5 points for Samartha.
Sir, will you play bullet with me?
No, I have a class right now, so I'm ending the meeting here. Bye, everyone.